About Uttarashada Nakshatra. Uttarashada Nakshatra denotes success guaranteed, which means the Nakshatra natives do initial things, achieve guaranteed positive results later. The quality features of this Nakshatra denotes victory at the end, what eventually emerge. In order to be victorious, the natives try to initiate matters, guarantees that there is going to be a victory later, which is said to be a guaranteed success. We can derive by saying win victories in life, which is guaranteed, that can never be lost. The nature of this nakshatra is part of a connected cosmic system internally, is a cosmic flower which opens the psychic petals of the mind. The energies of cosmic system brings them luck in favor, achieving guaranteed victories in their life. The quality features of this nakshatra is that they emit higher dimensions of consciousness into their awareness, awakens them to gain knowledge in every stage of life. The natives look striking and focused on the end of the goal. They have very good vision in life, always think high about them, enormously big. Uttarashada Nakshatra ruling planet Sun comes under the influence of Jupiter and Saturn. The natives will have extra confidence and strength to achieve their goals. The natives are more attached to humankind, harmony, and salvation. Uttarashada Nakshatra is associated with later unconquered, which means they give a tough fight, finally conquer what they want, which makes their day. The controlling deity is Vishwadeva or universal gods, is the son of god Dharma. The deity who preserves the universe and lead life for its welfare is called Ganadevada or Vishwadevadas in the form of Lord Shiva. There are 10 Ganadevada or universal gods, and they are Basu, Satya, Kratu, Daksha, Kala, Kama, Triti, Kuru, Prorabha, Madharuba. The natives have humanitarian vision to see all creations as equal as human temperament, with a primary inspiration towards spiritual liberation and salvation. Uttarashada Nakshatra is identified as elephant tusk, denotes secret bed to lie down, unburden their hardship in life, later light spirits at the end. The characteristic qualities of Uttarashada Nakshatra are modest and soft spoken, friendly and innocent. The natives are very good at examining what's happening in their mind and body, tend to be more creative, protective and alert, quite serious and responsible. The natives tend to succeed later and have more patience and perseverance, dedicated, have intense desires in life behind which they put forth strong willpower to achieve a victory at a later point of time. The natives have leadership and natural diplomatic qualities. The natives possess self control, restraint, endure, and firmness in character, cordial with everyone. They are sincere, honest, sharp, intelligent, see matters intensely, charming, grateful, leadership qualities, invincible patience, righteous, committed, have greater stamina and constancy, pure hearted and respect others, especially elders. The Nakshatra natives are good of both good and bad forces. They try to consider so many aspects of the situation is dragged into a state of unhappiness. They are ambitious, which leads them to attain bad name. The natives are usually reserved and do not easily trust people, get to know and understand them fully. Their inbuilt qualities like calm and composed, plain heart will enable them to overcome all adversities in life with the combined powers of universal gods, Vishwadevadas, achieve victories in life. The career prospects for Uttarashada Nakshatra are they are good warriors, wrestlers, painters, artists, magicians, counselors, lawyers, astrologers, government estate officers, judges, lawyers, sword fighters, defense industry experts, sportsmen, teachers, infrastructure maintenance and civil construction, elephant trainers, hunters, rangers, horse riders, horse racing, entertainer on horseback, promotional agencies, agency contracts, artwork, politicians, holistic leaders, healers in holistic manner, security guards, priests and preachers. ಉತ್ತರಾಷಾಢ ನಕ್ಷತ್ರ ದೇವದ ಮಂತ್ರ. ಓಂ ವಿಶ್ವೇ ದೇವಾಃ ಶೃಣುದೇಮಗುಂ ಹವಂ ಮೇ ಯ ಅಂತರಿಕ್ಷೇ ಯ ಉಪದ್ಯಾವಿಸ್ತಮ್ಮ ಯೇ ಅಗ್ನಿ ಜಿವ್ವ ಉದವ ಯಾಜತ್ರ ಆಸದ್ಯಾಸ್ಮಿನ್ ಬರಿಹಿಮಾ ದಯದ್ವಮ್ಮ. ಓಂ ವಿಶ್ವೇಭ್ಯೋ ದೇವೇಭ್ಯೋ ನಮಃ.
Please subscribe to our Vedi Books YouTube channel by clicking on the bell icon.